I heard a fart.
I just farted.
I farted on you.
You did.
Oh.
I felt the rattle.
Sorry.
I farted!
What do you do to handle that pressure?
Oh, man.
A lot of fart jokes.
Yeah. Everyone loves a good fart joke.
Is it you being bendy and doing the trapeze thing? Was there a moment when I think you overexerted yourself? Was it in front of Hugh?
Okay.
See, here's what happened. Let me just clear the air, literally. So here's the story. People.
Literally.
All right?
Yeah.
So we're doing, I'm not going to name the person because
It's embarrassing, okay?
the point is we're doing a stunt in front of Hugh Jackman. Now,
I drink tea, darling.
now I have very few scenes with Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman.
And I was very nervous.
It was not you.
It's not you.
I was on my, my A game because this is Hugh Jackman and I do not want to mess up. So we're doing this thing where I'm basically up in the air. I spin down and I get caught.
Are you okay?
And I heard a fart. Now wait!
We all heard the fart.
The fart.
The fart.
We all heard the fart.
Come on. You're making a big deal out of nothing.
Now, as a professional,
You know, she's so professional, you know, like people love working with me because I'm like so on time, I'm so professional and
I'm gonna carry on. It was not me.
Perfect.
I just want to clarify right here, right.
Best friends.
That was not me. So they're laughing. The other person, okay, is laughing, and Hugh is laughing. I'm like, okay, are we just gonna like pretend like we're gonna like laugh about it? And what happened was the person
Who was a grown man?
blamed it on me.
Yeah.
So Hugh thought that I farted. But the crazy thing, I would never
No
do that.
one thought that was you. No one.
I'm scared.
Listen, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
If I ever fart in front of you.
Yeah.
It would definitely be
Silent but deadly.
never audibly. You know what I'm saying? I'm a lady. I'm a lady.
Happened.
And we've all swung.
Together? We did all swing together, yeah.
That's
That was interesting.
That was a time.
I farted.
No one did you?
Yeah, I farted on you, unfortunately. Yeah, it's tough. The suit's tight. The harness squeezes it out.
Squeezes your intestines.
Yeah.
Did you fess up or did one of them rat you out?
No,
was
I
very
fessed
obvious.
up. Immediately was like, oh,
I felt the rattle.
sorry.
The rattle. Sorry.
Sorry about that. That's my bad.
Like if it had been your first week working together on Homecoming, that would have been super awkward.
I don't think so. That would have been funny.
I think it would have been a really good talking point.
That would have been a good
and
joke.
we would have spoken about it in the press then.
Alfred.
Oh.
You got me.
A funny memory. Let me think. Are we talking about Spider-Man 3? Oh yeah, that's a good point. We are on the Spider-Man 3 press tour.
Funny memory.
I was just so fun.
And then I'd turn around and you'd just be there knitting. How's your day going? That's good. I tell you what was really fun was when me, you, and Jacob
And your friend Steve.
to jump off of that scaffolding.
That was fun.
Together.
You were like sort of sitting on my lap, and then Jacob was hugging both of us, and then we basically had to jump off and spin. And it was quite scary.
Yeah, we did good.
We did really good. And then I
That
farted. I farted on you.
You did fart on my leg.
I did, yeah.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
good time. A time.
Do it for the kids.
I am disgusted.
I just farted. And now I just want to die. Wait, period of embarrassment. Cece, come on, relax, okay? It's not that big of a deal. Hey, Cece, great show today. It was a real jazz.
Especially that explosive ending.
Do it for the kids.
It was cold at night when you came into my troublesome life.